If you are an athlete getting money from promotions, deals, sponsorships, any of that, then you need to listen very carefully. Because a lot of athletes are cashing checks, cutting deals, making videos, doing all the things and promoting. And the IRS is sitting back saying, that's cute, but where's my cut? And trust me, the IRS does not care how many followers you have. So today, I'm breaking down the top 5 tax deductions for student athletes that they can write off on their taxes so you can legally keep more of your money and avoid ugly tax surprises. So keep watching. If you are making NIL money, you are not just an athlete anymore. You are now a business. And businesses have tax responsibilities, but they also get tax deductions. So let's get into the top 5 write-offs that you need to know. Our first write-off is equipment and performance-related purchases. If you're buying gear that directly supports your NIL actions, then that is considered a deduction. These things are such as training equipment, sports-specific gear, branded apparel for content, cameras or tripods or microphones for sponsorship content, and lighting equipment for promotional shoots. The key is that it has to be ordinary and necessary for your business activity. So buying the highest name brand shoes on Instagram just so that you can put it up on your TikTok or whatever, nice try. That's not ordinary and necessary, and the IRS has seen worse. Write-off number 2 is going to be content creator expenses. Now you might think, well, you just talked about that in the last one with the last write-off, but no, this is different. So if your NIL deals also require production costs or whatever, that can also be written off. But what you're going to be able to write off to make sure that your content is great is editing software, ring lights. I already talked about microphones, video equipment, graphic design subscriptions, like say you have to subscribe to Canva or something like that, website hosting, and professional photography for your brand. If you're building your athletic brand online, a lot of the things that you pay for to make sure that keeps running, that is deductible. So the third write-off is travel related to the NIL activities. So if you're traveling specifically for your sponsored appearances, your brand events, your promotional shoots, your business meetings, your NIL partnerships, those are tax deductible. So you can write off things like your flights, your rental cars, your hotel expenses, your mileage, your parking fees, and then just your general transportation. And of course, documentation is very mandatory. So you better keep receipts for every single thing that you pay for so that you can write it off on your taxes. The fourth write-off is personal services. And those are the things that you pay for to make sure that your business or your self-business is running properly. So those services could be your tax professional, your lawyers, your agent. If you had to, like, say you trademarked something and you needed to get a trademark done, if you have to pay for that, those are the things. Even if you have insurance, all of those things, brand management, consulting, marketing team, assistants, all of those people. If you are building a team for your NIL sponsorship, your brand, your athletic brand, then you can write that off because basically you're building a team. All athletes have a team behind them. And so if you have a team behind you that you are paying for, you can write that off. And our fifth write-off is education and business development. So if you're investing in education that improves your NIL business skills, that could qualify for you too. But things that you can write off are training, branding courses, social media strategy training, business workshops, financial literacy programs, and courses that help you grow and manage your income. So you're not just playing the game, you're also learning how to manage the business behind it. And you know that if your taxes are not being withheld from your NIL payments, then you're going to have to pay taxes on it. And a lot of times people get their 1099s or you get paid in a check from a company and they're not taking taxes out of your money. So if you want help keeping track of all of your tax deductions and you need a free guide, go ahead and click on the QR code here in the corner. You're going to be able to download that guide for you today for free. It's going to help you stay organized, protect your money, and know exactly what deductions you can take off on your taxes. And if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so that you can get more tax savvy information that's going to help you on your journey through your NIL and through life in general. Thanks for joining me here at the Financial Spotlight. Have a great one. Bye.
Yeah, let's get it. Taxes ain't scary when you plan ahead. Cash flow quiet's what fear once said. No quick schemes, no overnight claims. Just solid moves, long-term gains. I'm not here selling dreams or noise. I'm here building options, control and choice. When you understand where your money goes, you stop feeling stuck and you start feeling grown.